I'm going to discuss on Git and we'll operate the Git through Git HUB. So what is Git? Git is a version control system that lets you manage the your source code and keep track of source code. And Git HUB is a cloud-based hosting service that use Git in the background and manage the repository. So I will tell you this. You are seeing one tree here. So when we are putting some project in Git, we should know about this structure. Okay. So firstly we will go for a organization. So when we are creating an account in Git, so that account name is the organization. So inside that organization we can create many repository. Repository means this repository belongs to some projects, and suppose n number of projects. So we will go for one project. Suppose one repository had one project, and then under the repository there are many branches. Why branch are there? Because suppose one developer is writing something on the project which is inside the repository. So, and the second developer also going to write some code inside this branch 2, because his task is different and developer one task is different. So their version will be different. So this is working on some sales page and this is working on some marketing page. Then what happens? Suppose this guy is coding and this guy is also coding. So they will push to their own branches, and this guy will push to the branch 2. So when they are merging the code, they will push it to their own branch and they will create a pull request. Pull request means they will request for merging their changes, respective changes in the main branch. And the main branch or master branch, you can say this is the master branch. So this merge will be done by some manager of the Git or somebody else. Okay, so organization is the account name in Git. Then repository, it can have many number of repositories. One repository has many branches related to versions. So the version 1 of the repository belongs to branch 1 and this is branch 2. So branch points to a particular version of the repository. Now I am on the page of the Git HUB. This is the Git HUB page and I have logged in here. So now there is no repository. So I will going to create one repository, new repository here. So here I will give the name as EMP. Okay, EMP, suppose EMP management. So it is available. So then I will make it private so that some particular user can use it. Then git ignore I will tell in the next video. Then I will go to create the repository. So our repository is created, one repository created. So here there is nothing in the repository. This is the new one. So I will go to create a folder in my local system and link that folder to this repository. Okay, let's go and create one folder there. So here I am going to create a new folder. Suppose that is EMP MGMT, and I will open it in GitHub, same folder. So GitHub, it is already installed. You can install from from the Google. So I am typing here Git and I am getting CMD. So then I will change this path to e/empty. So I will write here e. So it is commit e drive, then cd e/empty. Then I will go to the GitHub page, GitHub home page. Okay, so this is the path where the repository is created. So using this command I can link my local machine folder to this repository, so that now, and then I will paste same in the git cmd. So if I enter here, it is saying that it is not a git repository. So for this I have to write git init. Once I will type here git init on this folder, it will become a git repository. So initialize is done. Okay, then I can apply the above command. So I am typing this above command now. Now it is connected to the repository on GitHub. This folder is connected to GitHub repository. This is the URL. Suppose I will create a new file here, text document. So I will write here hello.txt, and I will write something here. Okay, then I will save this file. File is saved. Then we will see whether it is gone to repository. So it is not on the cloud now. So we have to do some task here. What is that task? I will tell you. So first I have to see what is the status of this folder. So I will write here git status. So it is saying that hello.txt is untracked file, means it is there, but you have to add using git add. Okay, so before commit you have to add this. So then next command is git add hello.txt. So it is added to the local file. So then I will go for commit. Command for commit. So in this folder, so I am writing git commit -m within double quote. I am writing some comment. So I can write here anything I can write. So I will enter here. So it is saying that one file is committing this hello.123 to the master branch. Okay, one file changed. So committing, so I will see here in my GitHub, still now it is not came. Okay, but if I push, it will come. So commit means you are committing to your local branch, means local machine. Okay, so then I will write here git push origin master. So if I use this command git push origin master, that will come there. Okay, so it is saying, giving some information here, you can read it. Okay, so I will go to the, I will refresh this, you will see. I refresh, so I am getting this. See, this is a commit what I have written in the commit, it is coming here. Okay, it is saying, so this is the file and this is the commit. So if I open this file, I see I have written this hello123. Then I will test another thing. Suppose I will change something in this file. So I will change like hello ABCD. Okay, ... Then I will save it. I will save. This is in my local folder. Okay, So then I will check here git status. So it is saying that you have some modification in hello.txt and you have to use git add to commit. Okay, so I will write here git add, even I will give only dot also, so this one file will be gone to commit. So git add then git commit. So git commit, suppose committing update on hello, then I will enter here. Okay, so I changed in file, then I added it. This is the line git add dot means all the changed file will be added. Okay, then I have used this git commit m-m, this one. Okay, so then I have to push it. Okay, so I will push git push origin master. I entered here. Then I will check in the GitHub. Okay, so I will go to the GitHub and I will go to this repository, and it is saying that this is the comment I have written on the committing update on hello. It is now, it happened now. Then if I click here, so it is saying hello world ABCD. Previously it was 1 2 3. So still now we have got about git push origin. So we are pushing to the master branch. Okay, by default we have only one branch, that is master. See here, only one branch is there. So we can go and create branches there also. I will tell you. But now I will pull. First I will I told you about push. If I will change and push, it will go to the master. Git push origin, you can write like this. And then suppose I will change here. Okay, I directly go to the Git HUB. Yeah. So here there is a edit button here. So here is edit. Okay. So we can edit this file. So if you are editing this, suppose your developer colleague has writing something here. I have changed something. Okay. Suppose your friend has written this in the file and he will commit. He commit the changes. Okay. So commit message by default this, commit changes. Commit directly into master branch. So directly committed. So then this is done by your friend. Updated one line, added one line. So you want to get it. But if you will go to your local folder, okay, there is no change here. But you need this change here. Okay. For that what you will do, you will write here git pull origin master, so that whatever you are pulling from the master, so whatever your friend has changed, it will come to your folder. So I have written this git pull origin master. So now it take from the origin. So it is saying that hello text is changed. Okay. So let's see your folder here. I will double click here. See here, whatever your friend has written, it came here.